Welcome back everybody, thank you for watching another video. So today we're going to have a look at the differences between a honing rod and a sharpening stone and when you might want to use one over the other. Now if you don't have either of these essential items in your kitchen, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Let's begin with the sharpening stone. This is what you're going to use when your knife is dull and it's not cutting anything, right? You're going to remove some metal, sharpen it up, and then polish it up with the other side. This is a combination stone, very inexpensive, from Amazon. You can buy them separately, separate stone, 400, 1,000 grit. All the way, I think from 120 I've seen all the way up to 20 to 30,000 if you really want to get a mirror polish on your blade. I feel comfortable enough with the 400 grit to sharpen and 1,000 for polishing. And again, they're available in combo stones like this, or you can buy them individually. But the sharpening stone is what you're going to use when your knife is dull. You need to remove metal and sharpen it again. Sharpening stone. Alright, let's move on to the honing rod. Now, I think this is probably one of the most misunderstood sharpening instruments in your kitchen. And I think it's because, like when you're watching a TV show and you see the chefs just kind of ramming their knives up and down the rod like this, I can see how it seems like they're sharpening, but essentially what they're doing is they're already taking a sharpened knife and bringing it back into an edge. So what I mean by that is, let's say this is a knife edge like this, okay? Just like this. So as you start to use your knife for whatever it is, it starts to kind of deform like this. And what they're doing by running the blade up and down the honing rod is they're slowly bringing it back into sharp like that, or bringing back the edge like this. And that's what they're doing. And there's all kind of different ways of doing it. Some people do the countdown method where they go 5, 5, 4, 4. It's up to you how you want to do it. But remember, they're taking an already sharp edge and bringing it back into shape. If you try to hone a dull blade, you're not doing anything. You got to go back to one of these guys, get the edge back on, and then maintain your edge after every use by using a honing rod. Well, alright guys, that was the differences between a honing rod and a sharpening stone and why you might want to use one over the other. Remember, if you want to purchase either of these items, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.